It is cold outside and we don't want no dry, chappy lips, okay? Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go ahead and do the hot new releases video that I typically do every so often because it kind of lets me know what you guys want to see on my channel and what you want me to review. And plus, you guys, there's so many cool items coming out as well, so it's just easy to talk about it with you guys. And also, if you're wondering what I'm looking at, it is my computer, so that's why I keep looking down. But if you guys are excited to see what I'm going to talk about, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. So before I go ahead and start, I do want to apologize because when it comes to these type of videos, I do have to look down constantly at my computer. So I like to look at you guys when I talk, but with this video, it's a little bit hard. All right, so just keep that in mind. The first one I do have for you guys is from Beauty Blender. Actually, they're coming out with a powder. It's called their Bounce Soft Focus Gemstone Set in Powder by Beauty Blender. Now, to be honest, when I'm looking at it, it's not giving me the life that I need, okay? Because just based off the picture, there's only one color, all right? It's kind of like an off yellow powder and it's called Buff. So I'm trying to see on here if they have any other shades as well, but I don't see that. But it claims to be a silky setting powder that smooths and locks your makeup in, give you an airbrush finish without any caking on the skin, and then also cancel shine, absorb oil, and keep your glow as well. So that's all it says on there. I'm low-key excited about it just the more I look at the description, just because it says it controls oil, and you guys know I'm super oily. But for the shade itself, it's not giving me the life I need. But we'll see when it comes out. I don't know. Once I see it in person, I may change my mind, but that's that. All right, so the next one I do have for you guys is from P.Louise, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, when I saw these swatches, it just looked so buttery, so pigmented. I was like, what is she coming out with? So it is their Season of Love Valentine's collection, the New Love tapes, which is so cute. Like, they're different tapes, all right, and they're their own collection, different shades. Like, that's really smart and creative, so I like that. But it includes 3 mini cassette palettes, 24 intimate shades, 8 in total, $17 each, or a bundle of 40. So you do have date night, vacation, and also wedding wish as well. And these just look so buttery, you guys. Like, I know on my channel I haven't done any real like eyeshadow looks in a while, but looking at these swatches, it's just giving me life. It makes me want to go out there and be creative again. So I don't know. I definitely want to go ahead and pick this up. I'm not sure when it's dropping, but since it is a Valentine's Day collection, it should be sometime soon. So yeah, I will probably go ahead and pick this one up. Okay, so let's see. The next one I do have is from Morphe, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, Morphe is becoming one of my favorite brands just because I have a lot of favorites from them, like their, brow pencil, their lip pencil, what else do I have from them? Their bronzer as well. Like, they have a lot of products that I really like. So they're actually coming out with their Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. And I've seen a lot of people talk about this on Instagram, on YouTube, but I haven't actually watched the video, so I don't know how it performs. Let's see. It has 40 shades, okay, $20 each. And it's an oil-free skincare infused foundation. It has hyaluronic acid, pore blurring pigments as well to cover imperfections. It's a natural foundation with buildable coverage, long wearing, sweat proof, and transfer proof. All right, those are big claims right there. Free of oils, parabens, fragrances, all of that. So it sounds really good. Like, it's not a matte foundation, it's not a dewy foundation, it's just a normal foundation, okay? And the fact that it says on here sweat proof and transfer proof, I'm just like, okay, let's see. All right, so I may go ahead and pick this one up because I'm pretty sure you guys want to know my thoughts on this one. And I haven't tried any of their old foundations just because a lot of people were complaining about the shades back then. So with this one, I feel like it's a little bit more thought out. The colors look really good as well. So I feel like it's something you're definitely going to see on my channel for sure. So this next one, y'all, I'm really excited for it because it's one of my favorite YouTubers out there. It's from Samantha. I always want to say like how she spells it on Instagram and YouTube, like Samantha, you know what I mean? But anyway, she came out with her own brand called Auric. And with this, you guys, she has 2 things going on in here. All right, so the first one is their Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer. And basically with this, you can go ahead and mix it with your skincare or your foundation to add glow. And she has 7 shades in here, and these shades are actually thought out and they make sense, okay? And then also in there, she does have their Smoke Reflect Eye Duo Compact with a mirror as well. And this brand looks very luxurious and really nice, so I really appreciate that. But I will say, make sure you go ahead and watch her video, of course, and know like an in-depth review of her products, the meaning of her name, and all of that good stuff. But regardless, you guys, one thing that really caught my eye was their Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer, just because it's set to basically give you a radiant glow, all right, when you put it in your foundation and mix it with your foundation, or you can even wear it by itself or mix it with your skincare. So that just sounds really nice. And I just know with her, when it came to her makeup reviews, she was always super honest, which is what I appreciate, because that's just how I am as well. I can't lie to you guys. Like, if something is bad, like, you're gonna see it on my face. And that's how it is with her as well. She always kept it real. So I know if she comes out with her own brand, it's gonna make sense, it's gonna be good regardless. So I cannot wait to actually pick this up for you guys and let you know my thoughts as well. So that's definitely something I am gonna pick up for sure. Now let's see, the next one I do have up for you guys is Huda Beauty. Actually, she's coming out with her full filter Luminous matte foundation. Originally she had the matte foundation, and I never tried that one out just because I don't know, when people put it on their skin, it looked super matte. And mind you, yes, I am oily, but I don't want a foundation that looks super matte on the skin. But I can't say that because I never tried it out, so I can't have an opinion. But regardless, the Luminous one just sounds a little bit better, because on here it's a wait on the description it says it's a matte luminous finish. Wait a minute. Okay, so I don't know how it's a luminous matte finish, but I'm just gonna read you guys what she says on here. So she says it's a full coverage and long lasting foundation. It's a 24-hour flexible wear luminous matte finish. Luminous matte finish. So that's probably a different formula out there. I mean, till I try it out, I really can't say too much, but I will probably pick this one up because the luminous matte is getting me. Like, if it's a luminous matte foundation, I feel like it's gonna be great for my skin. So yeah, we'll see about this one, y'all. Like, I don't know yet if I want to pick it up, but you know, we shall see. Okay, moving on down. The next one, actually, when I read the name of it, I was like, ooh, that sounds really good. And it's from One Size Beauty by Patrick Starr, of course. He is coming out with a primer on February. I think it's in February. I can't remember the actual date, but it's called their Makeup Magnet Primer for $30. I love the price, number one, and number two, that name, Makeup Magnet Primer, it just sounds really good to me. So I feel like with this primer, of course, once you go ahead and apply your foundation, it's gonna stay on all day and stick to the skin. So this one seems really promising, because I feel like with Patrick Starr as well, because he was a makeup artist, he knows what's good for the skin and all that good stuff. So this one, I'm for sure gonna try it out. Now the next one up is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I will say with this collection, they kind of made a comeback to me, because regardless, you guys, I love Anastasia. I feel like they're an OG in this makeup world, but then also with this collection, it just gave me life when I saw it. All right, it is their Iced Out collection, and they have their brow freeze, of course, their highlighter in Ice Out, their diamond gloss, and also their crystal gloss as well. The packaging, just the whole collection, the way it looks next to each other, I was like, ooh, let me go ahead and pick up something. Okay, so with that being said, I did already try their brow freeze product, and I'm obsessed with it, you guys. It is so good. 100% recommend. I have it on my brows today, and it just makes your brows look super fluffy. It stays up all day, and it doesn't feel crunchy or hard. Like, it is the perfect brow wax out there. 100% recommend. Now the other two, the lip glosses, I do want to try their diamond gloss, which is basically a glare gloss, I believe, or is it their crystal gloss? Honestly, I can't tell which one is which based on the names, but I do want to try their clear gloss for sure. Then also the highlighter, I've never tried their highlighter in that packaging, but I've always heard that it looks super wet on the skin. Now the color looks a little bit too white for my skin. Okay, it looks a little bit too like pearlish, if that makes sense. But I saw swatches on darker skin tones, and it looks like a champagne color. So I'm just really confused. Like, does it change colors? I don't know, because when I saw it on the lighter person, it looked really white, but then on the darker person, it looked like a champagne gold. But then when you see the actual color in the packaging itself, it looks super white. So I'm just confused. I don't know yet. So I tried in person, you guys. I can't say too much about that. But all in all, I will say I do recommend the Brow Freeze, and the other products, I will definitely go ahead and check those out as well. Now, this next item, I swear when it came out, everybody went crazy. I'm not gonna lie too. Like when I saw it, I was like, I don't know about this one. And it's the Henriksen Smoother Days Ahead. All right. What's it actually called? It's part of their Smoother Days Ahead collection, but this is their Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. All right. This has AHAs in it as well, and then also lemon, and those are two acids, you guys, lemon and AHA. But Uric claims that it's not very harsh on the skin, but when you read about it, it seems like that, just because lemon by itself is an acid, AHAs by itself is an acid, and those two together, like I don't know how my skin's gonna behave. But at the same time, I know Desi went ahead and tried it out, and then also I love Sarah she went ahead and tried it out as well, and they're part of like the, you know, marketing for this as well. So with that being said, I do trust them, and I do kind of want to try this out because it's supposed to visibly retexturize your skin, polish it, and also reduce the size of pores as well. So it seems really promising. It just seems a little bit scary because of all the acids in there, but we shall see once I go ahead and try this one out. And also, if I didn't mention, Henriksen is one of my favorite skincare brands out there. So I just know it's probably gonna be a good product. I'm just scared about all the acids, but I'll let you guys know my thoughts. So on here, we only have two more items. The first one I want to mention is the Sephora Best Skin Ever Foundation. I don't know what it is about this line, but when I see the foundation itself, it makes me want to go ahead and purchase it. I think it's like the wording and the packaging and all of that. It just looks really, really good. So this one for sure, when I do go to Sephora this week, I'm going to pick it for you guys and do a review because it claims to be a medium coverage foundation with a natural finish, but then also it's supposed to feel like your skin as well. And then also the best part is it's only $20. And then a lot of people have been saying a lot of good things about it in the comments as well. So it just seemed really promising, but I will let you guys know my thoughts for sure once I do a whole review on it on my channel. So be on the lookout for that. And last but not least, I do have the Kylie Skin Lip Oil. All right. People were going crazy over her PR boxes because it was like this big lips, like in a box, like, well, it's box shaped, of course, but like a lip shaped box, and it had like this little lip oil like in the center. Like it was so funny when I actually, you know, look back on it. But people were going crazy saying like she doesn't care about the environment and all that good stuff. So yeah, I was just laughing. But regardless, the actual lip oil itself, I don't know, it looks really good. I love the packaging because it's, you know, super simple. But then also on here, it claims to hydrate and comfort your lips, leaving it looking extra smooth and naturally plumped. It is $22 and it has coconut oil and vitamin E as well. So yeah, I feel like this is something that if I see in Ulta, I'll probably go ahead and pick it up just because you can never get enough of moisturizing products for your lips. Like I love oils, chapstick, balms, like anything you could think of, I love for my lips because it is cold outside and we don't want no dry, chappy lips, okay? But that was all of them. Yeah, that was all the products I wanted to go ahead and talk about. Let me know down below what you really want to see on my channel, you guys, because there's just so many things coming out. It's hard for me to keep up sometimes. So let me know down below, then I will go ahead and purchase them and then do a whole review for you guys on my channel. But yes, I love you guys so much. Make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.